dapat if you're student athlete, for Lasal, dapat ready ka for anything. You have to embrace it. For as long as there's a clear trust, kailangan magtiwala ka sa coach mo that that's the right system and pathway to do things, because they are your coaches for a reason. So if there's no trust, then there's no business for you really to be involved in anything.
Agree. Well said. Siguro, ang idadagdag ko lang is, even if you are the best player, if you're not coachable, if you think too highly of yourself na you don't believe anyone can impart anything for you to learn, wala. When you can always learn from anyone eh. If you stop learning, that's when you have to worry in life. But for that to come from Coach Ramil, I think it should resonate not just through the volleyball community, but maybe also through the Lasal community and the UAP community, or maybe the entire sporting community.